School Lyceum Jitigen, Grade 7, Unit 11, Lesson 6. Teacher Mamajakıpова Aида Sopralivna. Hello everyone. How are you? How do you feel yourself? How is your mood? Are you ready for the lesson? Let's begin our English lesson. Our new theme for today, words in context. So peoples, what you can remember about the poem from the previous lesson? Can you answer these questions? Where did the boy go? What did he see? What did he do? What did he find the next morning? These questions about a poem, previous lesson. Look at these pictures. Find the words in the poem to match the pictures and definitions. All of the words you need are underlined in the poem on page 110. You read the sentence containing each word and you try to determine the meaning from the context. This is all the new words on the last lesson. This is new words on your workbook to match the words from page 96 to the definitions. Span – вращаться. Precious – драгоценный. Head off – отправиться. Snack – уютный. Diamond – brilliant. Bumpy – бугристый, неровный. Glow – светится. Surface – поверхность. Beams – луч света. Imagine – воображать. Launch – запуск, start. Observatory – наблюдательный пункт. We are going to hear a recording of another poem. You will listen and find out what the astronaut's destination is.
Listen. What is the astronaut's destination?
The astronauts launch their spaceship and blast off into space. They leave the Earth far, far behind and fly to another place. They get to their destination. It's a space station in the stars. And there they study the planets, Mercury, Venus, and Mars. The astronauts go on spacewalks. They float in the dark black sky. They spin round in their spacesuits and see satellites go by. And when it's time to return to Earth and leave their space station dome, they get back into their spaceships and travel back to home.
Okay. Did you listen to this poem? You can read this poem and complete this with these words. The next task for you, answer the questions. Would you like to be an astronaut? Why or why not? What would be the best thing in space? What would be worth seeing in space? What would you most like to see in space? You can answer these questions with own words. The next task for you: complete the texts with these new words. Next exercise for you: complete the crossword with words from exercise 1 and 2. You should complete this crossword. It will be very enjoyable for you. It's time to say goodbye. Bye bye.